Imagine this. You're hosting a grand party. You've invited hundreds of guests and you've cooked up a storm. But what happens if only a handful show up? Do you waste all that food, or do you find a way to use it elsewhere? This scenario, believe it or not, is a great way to understand the concept of reverse capacity in power plants. In a nutshell, reverse capacity is all about efficiency and resource management. It's like that grand party. The power plant is the host, the electricity it generates is the food, and the guests, they're the consumers. Traditionally, power plants are designed to operate at their maximum capacity, generating a certain amount of electricity based on demand predictions. But what if the demand falls short? That's where reverse capacity comes into play. Power plants with reverse capacity can operate below their maximum output without compromising efficiency. They can reduce their output when demand is low, just like how you would save your food for later if fewer guests turn up. This way, power plants with reverse capacity are not only able to conserve resources, but also reduce operational costs. It's a bit like having a variable speed control on a car. It uses less fuel when it's going slower, and that's essentially what reverse capacity does for power plants. But how does a power plant achieve this? By using a combination of technologies and strategies. For example, some power plants use adjustable speed drives for their generators. These drives can change the speed of the generator, allowing the power plant to reduce its output when demand is low. Other power plants use demand response strategies. These strategies involve communicating with consumers and encouraging them to reduce their electricity use during times of low demand. This can be done through incentives or price adjustments. In conclusion, reverse capacity is all about efficiency and resource management in power plants. It allows power plants to operate below their maximum output without compromising efficiency, conserve resources, and reduce operational costs. And it's achieved through a combination of technologies and strategies, from adjustable speed drives to demand response strategies. So next time you're planning a grand party, remember the concept of reverse capacity. It might just help you save some resources and reduce your costs. After all, who wants to waste a good feast?